In this video, we will compare Tubi TV versus Netflix. Tubi TV and Netflix are both popular streaming platforms, however, they differ greatly in terms of pricing, content and viewing experience. Tubi TV is completely free, ad-supported and offers a wide range of movies and TV shows, including older films, classic TV series and independent content. It's a great option for those who don't mind watching ads and looking for a cost-effective way to access entertainment. However, Tubi lacks the great release and original programming that some users may expect. On the other hand, Netflix is a subscription-based service known for its vast library of high-quality content, exclusive content, and original series such as Stranger Things and The Crown, as well as a wider range of movies and TV shows. With Netflix there are no ads, and users can enjoy a more premium, uninterrupted viewing experience. Overall, Tubi offers a free and more casual streaming option, while Netflix provide more polished and premium services. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.